found till you walked into my weary arms. Without doubt you stood there like a beautiful goddess and told me I'm your bird and you are my tree. Won't you fly over me? Won't you fly over me? Won't you fly souls, I will give you my word. I'll give you your time, although there is moments where...
Hello, my name is Christopher Williams, originally from New York City and living in Stockholm, Sweden for the last 15 years. I am a certified creative art therapist as well as a behavior analyst, working intensively with individuals with various disabilities for the last 20 years. I'm requesting assistance to develop therapeutic intervention here in Sweden, and I'm asking for your assistance. So please join me on this journey. So before I go into the future, let me tell you a little bit about my past. As a child, I was stricken with a very severe form of epilepsy. No medicine seemed to work. I've had an implant where I lost my ability to speak for almost 10 years and a brain surgery which literally killed me. The only thing, surprisingly, that was therapeutic for me, which at the time I did not know, was my love for music. I hid in my room and played guitar, drums, and even studied opera. As the years went on, my father, who worked in an emergency room, landed me my first job. And it was there where I found a sense of purpose and security, and also a bit of acceptance, because it was there where I saw other people suffering who weren't able to speak for themselves. And this is how I was able to incorporate the arts as an alternative form of communication, to allow them to relieve their frustrations and anger that those others couldn't understand. Now, in present day, creative activities such as art therapy are not really relevant here in Sweden. So I'm here to ask for your assistance to make it more public for those who are in need. And in the end, I took a leap of faith. I found a sacred place where I call Wisdom Kreativ Space, where individuals, families, and groups can engage in various creative activities to assist in their overall quality of life. Here in this empty space, we hope to fill the room full of life, laughter, and pure creative energy, facilitating group pedagogical workshops, individual therapy sessions, and reaching out to programs that can collaborate with us. We also I am taking on personal commissions for those who are interested in portraits of themselves, their children, or something that will help them in their lives. So please, now listen to the words of the lives that I have touched over the years. Thank you. Now you will see and hear from the other artist.
Hello, I'm Alma Mesa from Texas, now in Spain. I gave Christopher his first job in Stockholm in 2009. I was manager of a school. Christopher shared art therapy with children and adults. His knowledge was so impressive and effective. He inspired me to use creativity to de-stress, and we will be friends for life. Check out his wisdom for life. Peace out.
My name is Hans Peter Rutherborg, and I'm an artist and a lawyer, and I live here in the beautiful town of the beautiful university town. And I support art therapy simply for the fact that my family is affected by different types of spectrum symptoms, and specifically autism. So I support art therapy along with other great artists such as Christopher. And yeah, thank you very much.
Pozdrav, moje ime je Ivana Egić, po struci sam profesor likovni pedagog i umjetnica. Zadnjih 10 godina živim u Švedskoj na otoku Gotlandu u Visbiju i 2022. imala sam priliku upoznati Christophera i vidjeti njegovu samostalnu izložbu u kulturnom društvu Huset. Od tada držimo kontakt i mogu reći da sam vrlo zainteresirana za sudjelovanje u njegovom umjetničkom projektu Umjetnost kao terapija.
Hello everyone, my name is Nate Daly. I am a singer, guitar player and producer from Baltimore, Maryland by way of New York. I'm the person who provided the vocals for The Journey that Chris wrote and asked me to provide vocals on. I've known Chris for about 20 years, and it's been really interesting watching and seeing him grow as an artist, particularly him dealing with epilepsy the whole time. And it's inspiring to see that, you know, it doesn't define him, even though it is a major part of his life. He doesn't make it define him.
Hi, my name's Carlos, and I'm a good friend of Christopher Williams. And if I could tell you anything about him, I'll tell you he lives his life to the fullest. I've known Chris since he was about 7 or 8 years old, and I remember when he had his first seizure, and we heard the news, and it was a serious thing, but we didn't know that he had epilepsy and how it would be a lifelong thing. So Chris is using music and art to help others and provide therapy, and I've seen it over and over again, and I've seen the successes he's had, and I'm happy to be a part of it. We write songs together, my brother Tony and I, and Chris, we have a group called Wisdom. Chris, you do an amazing job, and I hope to see you soon. So keep it up. Everybody else, take a page from Chris's book and help us change the world. Wisdom for life.
Ja, jag heter Ann. Jag kom i kontakt med Christopher jag såg hans tavlor på ett café, Kaffekoppen, för väldigt många år sedan. Jag började följa honom på Instagram, sen fick vi kontakt för något år sedan och blev goda vänner. Jag blev då medbjuden till ett live painting event där vi gjorde den här tavlan tillsammans, allihopa. Jag har börjat måla mer efter det här eventet, till och med varje dag. Jag har cancer, så jag försöker att fokusera på någonting annat och inte det. Då är det skönt att bara måla. Min dotter har epilepsi. Hon har också börjat måla mer efter det här. Och nu är vi på gång med det här projektet som jag tycker är väldigt viktigt. Konst som terapi.